Today, we are going to learn how to add PayPal payments to your Shopify store. This process is simple and can be done in just a few steps. By adding PayPal, you make it easier for your customers to pay, which can help increase your sales. Let's get started. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you manage everything about your store. Once you are logged in, look for the Settings option at the bottom left corner of the page and click on it. In the Settings menu, you will see several options, but we need to go to Payments. Click on the Payments tab to open the Payment Settings page. Shopify has PayPal integrated as one of its default payment providers. If you created your store using the same email as your PayPal account, Shopify may have already connected PayPal Express Checkout for you. But if you want to change the account or set it up for the first time, click on the Activate PayPal button. If you do not have a PayPal account connected yet, you will need to add one. Click on Activate again. A window will appear asking you to log in to your PayPal account. Enter your PayPal email address and password, then sign in. Once you sign in, you need to give permission for Shopify to connect to your PayPal account. This allows Shopify to process payments for you. Now, PayPal is connected to your Shopify store. That is all you need to do to add PayPal payments to your Shopify store.